I don't know what time represents for Peter Gay Life on YouTube. I would do. You see me? I have to talk it out. Okay, know the thing. Go back now.
Guys, good morning. Right now I'm at the bus stop. I'm going to Papi. I'm going to get something to eat. So I'm going to get tasties. So I'm waiting on a taxi right now. My hair is looking like I'm mad somebody. Well, guess who don't care? Me, cause food me pre. So natural, not here, man. Can't bother. No, but the taxi them there, I'm hungry. But the guys, what are you having for lunch today, or breakfast, or dinner? Whenever time you're watching this video, let me know what you guys are. Tasties. So yeah, I got veg instead of pasta, barbecue chicken, fried chicken, rice and peas, and I also got tropicola. Good morning. I wake up a good while now. I had cornflakes for breakfast, but right now we're going on the road. We're to conduct some business together. So I'm gonna bed, get ready and leave. It's like after, I think it's after 12 or after 12. Either. Business place unlock until 5. So I'm going to bed now, get ready, we'll go on the road. Chat on my phone so you guys can see, but let me just tell you that we're going, the first stop is downtown. So I'm going to do some business downtown and things, charge up everything I'm about to use right now and get ready and leave and things. So stay tuned. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the previous vlogs when we went and visit Spanish Town, the other side of my family. So it is so overcast right now, so I'll get some heavy rain. So I'm gonna just lock up all my windows in my room and so forth, because I have to deal with this business. So if rain shine, if rain fall, sunshine, I do business. I have to do this business. You understand me? So just waiting to get my stuff photocopied. So and then wait a taxi from there, so and leave. So yeah, it could be said. Guys, I just got my item photocopied, and here comes the rain. I have umbrella and box, but we don't ready to take it out as yet. So gotta get a taxi to go down so now. I'm gonna get through, but I have to wait 1 hour until the JP man come. This is Shannon. Remember the cute baby what you guys saw in the previous vlog? And baby we are talking about I feel a nice baby. I don't know if you guys remember, but I don't must remember. I know what you vlog yesterday. She carried good
jeans. Good jeans.
Yes, good jeans.
Don't watch this.
Yeah.
The jeans good.
So we're gonna do it.
I'm bored and I'm starving.
You're ever hungry? You come like me.
No, you see, food and buy it don't taste good. See that? You can't eat that. It's just like crap.
There's about chicken, coleslaw, about drink,
we just turn it up on in the run back inside when more shots start attacking. They play long like wicked and when that start matting them up.
I reach them like a good while now. I'm having this apple, what I bought downtown. I got this for $80. So I'm reaching home. What I'm gonna do? I went around the road, be a little, then two toes look, night come done. So I had KFC already, so I'm not really hungry right now. So I'm just gonna watch some vlogs. Right now, see it's like 8:53, and bed. I'm gonna sleep. And I got the JP came really late, so it actually pushed back my plans. So even though I got my documents stamped by the JP, what I have to do tomorrow now is just go straight to the bank tomorrow. Of course, you guys are coming with me, and that's it. Come back home and let me tidy up my room a little bit, wash, because next day I have work. So yeah, so see you guys tomorrow. But if anything else happen within the night, I'll definitely come back. But for now, this is where I'm ending today's vlog. So if anything, tomorrow, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. So and give me some comments, like what you would like for me to do, like any video suggestions. Let me know. I'm seeing all the comments, and thank you guys for all the prayers in the previous vlog with my grandmother. I really do appreciate it, and I'm happy to know that she's recovering. Doctor said before, at first she was not really responding, but she's responding now, so that's a good sign. I don't know when I'm going to go back to visit her. It's based on my schedule, because my schedule is always busy. So let's see how it goes. But I'm getting updates from my family at Spanish Town though. So yeah, so I'll see you guys later. You guys, it's a new day, so road again. I'm at Victoria Mutual from 12 o'clock. Right now it's 2:03. They're slow. Oh my god. Guys, I haven't even eaten anything from morning, and you know that I'm hungry. They're slow to a next level. Anyways, yeah, I went to Crossroad. I pick up an item from somebody. So when I finish, I'm going over to Sovereign. I want to go to Island Grill. I feel like for some Island Grill. So yeah, tired of KFC and Burger King. So I want some maybe jerk chicken and rice and peas, and then buy a small soup, and then just go. Finally get through with the bank, so it's food time now, so that's what I'm gonna get, food. No ice cream. Right now, my belly is full, so I'm gonna go home now. My day was successful, thank God. So I take one taxi now and go home. We're in the supermarket right now. We plan to make fettuccine pasta, shrimp Alfredo. So waiting the ingredients at this time. So yeah. We'll come back from the supermarket now. So I'm at work tomorrow, so I'm gonna just press a couple of my, I don't know if I'm gonna press everything for the week, or I'm gonna just press for tomorrow. I don't know. I'm gonna press now and thing. Oh, also guys, if you guys like to donate to me in any form or way, my PayPal link is in the description box, and it's also on the screen. So if you want to donate to me, you can always leave my PayPal, and I really do appreciate it. And thank you guys again for the continuous support. So I'm gonna press no. So yeah, guys, I'm pressing on my bed tonight. I feel like to press on my bed, so I'm going to press on my bed. yes. That was actually my dinner. Shrimp Alfredo done by my dad. This is where I'm going to end today's vlog. I'm seeing that the vlog is very short, but I do apologize. But that's where upcoming vlogs I'm going to try and make it longer because I've seen that you guys love long vlogs. So okay, and also before I go, if you guys want to donate to my channel or donate to me, my PayPal link is in the description box, so you can check it out. And remember to give my video a thumbs up, comment when done, and subscribe if you haven't already, and join the fam. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. So big up on the self lifers gang, and see you guys later. Bye bye.